Hello friends. In this series, we have already discussed advantages of buying gold bonds and gold ETF. Gold ETF was developed in India in the year 2002 by Benchmark Asset Management Company. Sovereign gold bonds were introduced by the Government of India in the year 2015 under Gold Monetization Scheme. Now, with the change of currency from paper to digital currency, how far could we have avoided the introduction of digital gold? So here it is. Topic for today is investment in digital gold. In the previous videos, we have seen gold bonds and gold ETF allows you to buy gold as low as 1 gram. So basically you can invest as less as 4,500 to up to any amount if you wish to invest in gold bonds. Digital gold allows you to buy gold from 1 rupee onwards. So basically, you will have more freedom to decide upon your investment. Now the question arises that when you already have options of gold bond, gold ETF, why do you opt for digital gold? So friends, gold bonds and gold ETF are options of investment and wealth creation. Digital gold is simply the modern way to buy gold for personal consumption. So, to put it simply, if you have a salary hike in the month of April and you want to invest in gold for the purpose of festivals which are coming up in the second half of the year, in that case, earlier you would have to buy gold and keep it in a bank locker. Locker facility is obviously available at an additional charge for safekeeping. But in digital gold, your investment will be used for buying physical gold and the same will be stored in a safe in MMTC vault. This will be without any additional cost. You have to, if you want to sell this gold online without collecting the physical gold, you can do it. If you want to ask for the physical gold, the same will be delivered in the form of gold coins. Although we call it digital gold, but gold in which you are investing is 100% 24 karat physical gold. Just the mode of buying it is digital. So today we will discuss certain popular schemes for buying gold digitally. As you can see on the screen, Paytm offers online gold. PhonePe offers digital gold. Then we have Gold Rush scheme of Stock Holding Corporation of India. So all these gold buying options are offered either in association with MMTC or Safe Gold or both. There are other companies who are planning to enter this market, but I will create another video for this. When you want to buy digital gold, there are three companies that are available, and the gold by all the three companies is kept in MMTC vault, which is a fully secured vault for all eventualities. Further, gold which is kept in this MMTC vault are 100% insured. So there is no way that you can lose these investments. But here you need to understand one thing clearly. This digital gold is simply one way of buying gold. And unlike gold bonds or ETF, your investment in gold will not fetch you interest or profit unless the price of the gold itself increases. So Paytm on its platform has clarified that digital gold is not a collective investment scheme, it is not a systematic investment plan, therefore it will not earn any interest unlike other options such as gold bonds. Similarly, Stock Holding Corporations on its website has clarified that Gold Rush is neither a financial product nor a deposit, but it is simply a route by which you can buy gold for personal consumption. You can pause this video and check the options of investing in digital gold. Three options have been compared to give you a clear understanding of the same. Now, buying digital gold has certain advantages over buying physical gold. Purity of gold is guaranteed by Mines and Metals Trading Corporation. This is an undertaking of Government of India. Money that you invest in is directly utilized for buying 24 karat physical gold. and it is kept in safe vaults of MMTC. So you can be assured about the safety. Now, unlike physical gold, your investment is not going to get wasted in paying making charges and even buying alloys which are mixed in gold jewelry at the price of gold. So, digital gold is basically a convenient way to invest in gold. However, while you are deciding on which provider to opt for, you have to consider the features and charges that are available on the product. So, in this series, we have seen that there are different gold and gold based investment options that are available in the market, and their features vary from product to product. So, you have to consider what options that are there vis-a-vis your financial goals and needs before you invest in any of these options. Thank you for watching.